Hello, and welcome to Pet Tech Tips, where we spotlight products, troubleshoot, share unboxings, and more. Today, we will be unboxing the LR10-02WMNW. Here we are using a hard plastic spudger to open the box. Please consider following us on our social media channels for more Pet Tech Tips. Do not use sharp blades, as that can cause damage to the paper inserts. The inserts include mounting information, wiring diagrams, and M12 pinout information. The mounting hardware comes taped to the outer bubble wrapping. LR10 is IP69K and comes with the sealing rubber gasket on the bottom. The head cover uses the twist and lock mechanism to come off. The LR10 LED modules use screws to mount to the base. 1 tier, 2 tier, 3 tier, 4 tier, and 5 tier. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.